Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. Before we get started, I have to apologize for my voice. I'm a little bit under the weather, but rain, sleet, snow, or allergies, we have to get our projects done. And this week's project comes to us from a community member, and her name is Claricia. What a beautiful name. And she says, "Hi, my name is Claricia, and I'm from Haiti." That is so awesome. "A friend of mine referred me to your page in order to get some help." That's what we're here for, Claricia. "My theme is heavenly shining light. I'm still undecided about the colors, but I think soft ivories and golds and silvers. I really don't know what will be the right combination. We will have a church ceremony, and afterwards we will have a reception. I would like to use the centerpieces for both venues. Can you help?" Absolutely. So what we did is I kind of combined two things in the inspiration picture that you sent to me, both the candelabra as well as the white heavenly hydrangeas and roses in the centerpiece behind it. I think what we came up with is absolutely awesome. Not only is it awesome, a lot of the materials that we used to create it came from the Dollar Tree. Yes, dears, the Dollar Tree, our best friend, BFFs forever. So I'm so excited to show you this week's project, Floating Candle Opera. All right, guys, let's get started. In order to create our base, we're going to use a 10-inch foam disc as well as a 5-inch foam disc. We're also using our visor glasses from the Dollar Tree to create the vase. I'm going to actually puncture the foam with the rim of the visor disc so that I can create a groove in order to glue it on after I finish prepping the foam. We're going to create our vase for this centerpiece by using two of our visor glasses, attaching them both with E6000, extra strength E6000. Give it about 10 to 12 hours to cure. So now it's time to create our top platform. We're going to use that with a 14-inch platter that we got from the Dollar Tree, as well as our 5-inch foam disc that we also got from the Dollar Tree. Simply attach the foam disc to the center of the bottom side of your platter. Make sure you have the side that the groove that we created is on outward, because that's where you're going to set your visor glass in. Then we're going to spray paint it whatever color you would like, front and back side. Add a little hot glue and attach your visor glass. Give it at least 30 minutes to cure. Next, we're going to attach our bottom 10-inch foam base. Same thing, apply glue in the ridges that we created and attach your visor glass. And there you go. To create the candelabra part of our centerpiece, we're going to use a 12-inch mirror, a 9-inch cylinder vase, and 4 7-inch bud vases. We're going to attach them to our mirror using E6000. You want to make sure you do that because it makes the piece solid, and you don't have to worry if someone bumps the table if they will knock over one of the vases. So be sure to attach it with extra strength E6000. Let it cure for at least 10 hours. To create our flower embellishment for our candelabra, we're going to use our chrysanthemums as well as 2-inch foam balls, and we're going to cut them in half. Now, you can buy them already cut in half, but they're more expensive, so why would we do that? So you just buy a pack of the 2-inch round balls, and then you cut them in half, and that is that. Next, add 4 to 5 chrysanthemums to each one of your half balls, and you have your embellishments. Well, Claricia, what do you think? Isn't it a heavenly vision? I absolutely love how it turned out, and I so hope you do too. We had a fantastic time creating it for you. All of the links to the products that we use for this project are in the description right below the video. Just click on that little upside down triangle, and all of the supplies and project costs are at your fingertips. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. And if you want a special notification for us, you got to click on that little notification bell, and we will directly tell you as soon as it is posted. I hope you enjoyed this. If you would like to, leave a comment or ask us a question. That is what we are here for. We are here to help you. I love answering your questions, and if I don't have an answer for you, I sure will try my very best to find one. We also would love for you to follow us on our social media, and that is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And do not forget to sign up for your Ebates account. If you haven't heard already, I love Ebates because you make money while you spend money. What better way? It is absolutely FREE free. You simply sign up for your Ebates account. When you decide to go shopping online, which is for me a regular occurrence, you sign on to your Ebates account, go to the vendor that you would like to shop from, make your qualified purchases, and get your check in the mail. It is awesome. Be sure to check out the link in our description below. Also, don't forget, our digital store is up and running, and I am so excited about it. We have several planners on our digital store. It is a download digital store, so you don't have to worry about shipping costs. You don't have to worry about delays because it is available to you as soon as you download it. So excited about it. We've gotten fantastic reviews from it, and I want to thank everyone who has supported us and who has purchased through our digital store. Don't forget to check out our dollar deals. I'm working on some things. I'm listening to everything you guys are telling me and asking me in emails and on our comments, and I'm working on it. But you know, it's all about excellence. We want to make sure that we're giving you exactly what you need. So click on that link and check out our digital store. I want to thank you guys for taking this time to spend with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and for you to take the time and use it to spend with us means so much. Don't forget, if we can help you with the project, head on down to the description, click on the Project Request tab, and follow the simple steps, or head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the Project Request tab, and follow the easy steps from there. You can also find blog posts as well as the written instructions for our projects, just for that extra little bit of help. Well, our time has come to an end. I so much enjoyed it. So until next week, take care. See you soon. God bless you.